My earliest food memory has to be definitely in the kitchen with my grandmother. Vats of kimchi and making hundreds and hundreds of dumplings on New Year's Eve. A lot of my food memory has to do with my family, which is why it's so special to me.
Today, Chef Esther Choi will be innovating 3 new recipes inspired by the Invesco QQQ ETF. Invesco QQQ ETF makes investing easy. It's names you know, it's been around for 25 years. What makes the companies in Invesco QQQ innovative is that they're always invested in what comes next and really streamlining how people engage with the world in new and exciting ways.
Innovation, to me, is pushing boundaries, but also being original. You have to be honest with yourself. It's like therapy. Like you have to dig and dig and dig. If you want to innovate, that's where you find it. So first recipe, we are making a flour kimbap inspired by Autodesk. I love this because it is so beautiful to look at. This dish is all about precision and construction. It's the colors, the different textures, the shapes.
Autodesk empowers creators to turn ideas into visually stunning realities, providing the tools to design everything from skyscrapers to cinematic masterpieces.
Of course, it tastes delicious. Everything always has to taste delicious. Pickled daikon, as a kid, this was like my favorite thing inside kimbap. So you see how I sliced it really thin. And that goes for all the ingredients that we're putting in this kimbap. We have shiitake mushrooms, ham, and cucumber, red bell pepper. These are fish cakes, which is pretty traditional in kimbap as well. And then carrots. In Korean cuisine, there's a thing called 오방색, which means like 5 different colors. So I wanted to kind of mimic that tradition, but also make it look very specific. The egg white and the yolk is separated because then it becomes 2 different colors. Like kimbap is a design. The way it's built, every element comes together to build this beautiful dish. We are rolling each of the ingredients in seaweed. So when you roll it all together, it'll look like a stained glass. But like I said, it's like an art project. You're like having fun doing it. We're just layering these colors, textures, ingredients all into one roll. There we go. Look at how beautiful that is. I mean, now that you could serve to anybody and they would be really blown away. This is CAD Perfect Kimbap inspired by Autodesk. We are making my favorite thing in the whole entire world. It's kimchi. It has a lot of meaning to me and my family and to my heritage. And it's one of those ingredients that is alive. So kimchi is the ultimate superfood. This dish is a probiotic powerhouse. We're gonna call this Kimchi Power.
American Electric Power is a leading utility company that powers over 5 million users with reliable, sustainable energy.
Using what ingredient is local and seasonal is always key. You want to innovate and you want to create something new every time you make kimchi, and I think that's the fun of it. Now, kimchi paste is great. You can make the kimchi paste in advance. That's what I like to do. I like to have this on hand because if I ran out of kimchi in my fridge, it's an emergency. Pork belly. Pork and kimchi to me go so well together. When you have kimchi at home where it's fermented or you think that it's gone too long and you don't know what to do with it because you feel like it's way too funky to eat, this is a dish you make. Actually, the funkier, the better. So the older your kimchi, the better your kimchi jjigae will taste. Sustainability in my restaurants means we waste nothing. And I'm very, very proud of that because Korean food, that's how it is. My grandmother wasted nothing. She used every bit of every ingredient. This is a dish that's so special to me. And every time I smell it and cook it, it reminds me of my grandmother and it makes me so emotional. I mean, it's just a very, very, very special dish and it has a special place in my heart. You just get a big spoonful of that kimchi. Have to obviously take a bite. Transports me back into my grandmother's kitchen. This is Kimchi Power, inspired by American Electric Power. Pine nut samgyetang. This is chicken soup for the soul. I grew up eating this with my family, and whenever someone was sick, we knew that we were eating samgyetang. It is so nutritious, so good for you. It heals you inside and out.
GE Healthcare is a medical technology company that utilizes advanced technology to target specific health conditions. They are all about advancing patient care through thoughtful innovation and holistic solutions.
Growing up, I didn't really even take medicine. My grandmother would cook certain dishes to heal us. In the old world, eating food was your medicine. Literally, food was medicine. Look at these beautiful little birds stuffed with sticky rice and all these aromatics, and that goes straight into your pot. Water, shallots, whole jujube dates, ginger and chicken, match made in heaven, ginseng and bellflower. These are samgyetang packets, medicine in a bag, and this makes the most incredible aromatic broth. And then kombu. Kombu is kelp from the sea. Cook it for about an hour. Moment of truth. Oh my God. Smell this? I feel like I'm getting a facial heal just from the broth. Here is my innovation. It's pine nuts that's been soaked and blended. Pine nuts, a superfood in itself, makes it insanely creamy. So, ladle some of that creamy broth. Oh, it smells incredible. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, I know that's my recipe, but damn, that is good. This is the Healing Pot inspired by GE Healthcare Technologies. All right, Rob, come try the food.
So good.
First thing you're digging into, what do you think?
I think I gotta do this.
Okay. As someone that strives to be better every day, it is very important to dream. There has to be more to accomplish. I'm not stopping now. I honestly don't know how to stop.
Before investing, consider the fund's investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses. Visit Invesco.com for a prospectus with this information. Read it carefully before investing.